Envision an office that says all the right things about your business, place that boasts of an impressive address and the trapping of a top-notch workplace, a place that provides an environment conducive to soaring levels of productivity, along with the space to match the creativity and enthusiasm of its occupants. Inzio is that place. Rajendra Builder, one of the Mumbai's leading real estate developers, present Inizio, towering testaments of your business acumen and the springboard of your dreams. Situated of the most coveted business locations in Andheri, Inizio is a structure marvel that subtly merges aesthetic and structural fitness with functional efficiency. Spread across a large area of commercial complex, is equipped with a high-capacity parking space. Furthermore, its proximity to the international and domestic airport provides for easy connectivity. So whether you are an entrepreneur moving up from a home office, a business in search for the perfect location, or a large corporation in need to establish its presence, the building landmark design and well-appointed office will mirror your dreams and aspiration. Located at a distance of less than 5 kilometers from schools like Hasant High School, St. John Secondary School, Birla High School, and less than 10 kilometers from colleges like Indian Institute of Packaging, Small Scale Industry Service Institute, Chennai College, and Maritime Training Institute, 22 kilometers from Mumbai Railway Station, and at a distance of less than 10 kilometers from MIDC Police Station. It is at a distance of less than 5 kilometers from hospitals like Mukund Hospital, BMC Maternity Hospital, Holy Spirit Hospital. Mumbai Airport is just 4 kilometers from the project and has various bus stands at the distance of less than 5 kilometers. Inizio has 15 units built on an area of 1500 square feet and 10 units on a built-up area of 18,000 square feet. Inizio offers retail showroom for lease on ground floor and office complex on 1st to 6th floor. The key features of Inizio are security, fire alarm, lifts, reserved parking, visitor parking, water storage and rainwater harvesting.